we want those feet both turned out, 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 out. So when you rock step forward, you got that nice turnout in the back as well. Both feet are turned out. And now we need that break. We're stopping, we're going back. So we use that turnout of that heel being forward to stop us. Come back again. Oh, magic.
So we want to keep the connected hand right in the center, in between the two of us. Okay? Imagine this connected hand is like bread in a toaster. Okay? So it's in that slot and it does not come out of the slot. So the connected hand in the slot. Yeah.
When you're doing this, there's this idea where you want to keep your arm like in the same position. And if you do that, you're going to pull the girl over. And the side effects of that might be death. Correct way is to have your arm straight immediately and just sort of like zombie it out. Don't do that. All right? What you're gonna do is you're gonna bend that elbow. You got a little bow and arrow almost right there. Boom, yeah? And that bend sticks around for a while as you come through. Then as your leg straightens, bam, snap that arm. That's the way it works. Elbows a little bent. Cha-ching. That way we develop into our movement. Bam! And then we can create more speed and sexiness and perfection of our movement.
So now that you have gotten the technique down, practice it a whole ton, and
we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
yeah! Bye!